Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI. And this aged and charred set has really elevated my whiskey. This first-rate kit comes with everything I need to make amazing smoked drinks tailored to each guest and impress them. I like that I can just keep it simple and choose one of the 4 wood chips that the kit comes with, torch it, and enjoy it. But on days I'm feeling a little more adventurous, I can try one of the outstanding recipes that is included in the kit. Now, as a chocolate lover, that is the smoked s'mores recipe. It's really a dream come true for me. It's so delicious. But my husband's favorite is the smoked fiery apple cider. It's pretty good too. Now, this kit is very simple to use. You just fill the screen with your choice of wood, put that in the smoker that is thoughtfully designed to allow it to sit nicely on every glass we own, and you add your liquor. Then you fill the torch with the butane that it comes with, press the little knob, and poof, instant smoke. It's pretty cool. This torch is very sleek and compact. It's about as tall as a soda can, and it was really easy to hold in my hand. Now, the smoker is made out of oak wood, which is the same type of wood that whiskey barrels are used to age whiskey. So, the aroma really complements many liquors that were aged in charred barrels, like whiskey, bourbon, and rum. This set is just so thoughtfully put together and comes in such a beautiful box that it makes the perfect gift for any whiskey lover in your life, especially if that's you. So if you'd like to elevate your whiskey, you might want to check out this aged and charred gift set. I'm telling you, it's amazing, and that's my point of view.